Hi, my name is Kim Downey, and I'm the VP of Supply Chain and Product Management here at Fuzion Flooring. And welcome to our first ever virtual product introduction. First, I'd like to take this opportunity to thank you for your business. We are so appreciative of your business at all times, and now more than ever. We miss you, and we're so looking forward to being able to visit you again soon. But in the meantime, virtual it is. For those of you who know Fuzion well, you know that hardwood flooring is in our blood. It's part of our identity. It's our anchor product, as you can see from this beautiful showroom. And it's really what we've become known for, the breadth and depth of our collection. But what you may not know is that we actually develop our own product for the Canadian and North American markets. No off-the-shelf purchasing of factory lines and colors here. We have a product development team working with manufacturing partners all over the world to develop and fine-tune every nuance of the individual product and color until it's exactly what we're looking for. From raw material and selecting grade, to technical standards, working with finished producers to get exactly the right colors, textures, performance, to ultimately producing and shipping that Fuzion engineered hardwood product. A great example of this is our Patina engineered hardwood collection. Its style is beautified by time, aged to perfection. We have 5 beautiful colors with soft luster, natural fumed looking tones. This one is a personal favorite of mine. It is a great fit for that home renovation project. This product is the definition of why hardwood is still the most coveted flooring surface. Even with all of the advancements in technology that have increased the realism of wood visuals in other categories like vinyl, like laminate, and while I do believe the flooring visuals in laminate and vinyl are among some of the best in the industry, still nothing can compare with the beauty of natural hardwood. Do a simple Google search for flooring trends for 2020, and you'll see that this year is all about texture. Wire brush, distressed, hand scraped, all features that are the most difficult to replicate in other flooring surfaces, but which hardwood floor and the Patina collection in particular represent just by nature. And scroll through Pinterest. I'm a big Pinterest user. It's the new way to file all of those home decor ideas, all those wish list projects for your home. You'll see exactly where the Patina collection fits. That mix of contemporary finishes and fixtures and furniture with that more rustic textured flooring surface continues to be considered timeless. Okay, now for the most exciting part, we're going to actually look at the product. We're going to start with the color range because it's obviously a very important part of presenting a product to any end user, and we happen to be very, very proud of our color work. It's probably the greatest strength of our product development team. This particular collection demonstrates that very, very well. 5 colors, as I said. It's a very concise color range, but we really feel like we have all of the key color segments represented here, from brown, gray, taupe, into the natural tones here. If you look at the colors, we have Virtue, which is the brown shade. We know it's traditional, we have to have it. Looks great, no red. Byzantine is the gray. We know gray's been around a while. This happens to be a nice warm gray, and we're pretty happy with how it turned out. We have Adorn. This color probably represents the grain and the texture the best, in my opinion, and as you can see in that color selection. We have Ravenna, is the more natural. We have a bit of a bet going on in the company, which if it's going to be Ravenna or the next color, that is going to be the top seller. And my personal favorite is the Portico. This is what we're betting on is going to be number 1 or number 2. And if you really look at this color, you can see the natural character and the texture in the product. So this one's my favorite. We all know our industry loves to talk technical, so let's talk about the technical features of the product. It's a 6-inch width product, 3/4 inch thickness by random length for that upscale traditional hardwood appearance. It is an engineered product, so 3-layer solid core with a 4mm white oak sawn veneer. White oaks being still the most popular species of wood floor, and that recognizable grain pattern that we most often picture when we think about hardwood floor. Has a UV cured polyurethane finish for that performance factor that you've come to expect from a Fuzion floor. Micro beveled and hand scraped edges, bringing in that texture factor that we talked about earlier. Low gloss level, which if you're anything like me, is very important when you have kids and dogs running around. It really limits that footprint factor, keeps your floor looking pristine. Traditional tongue and groove hardwood installation can be stapled, nailed down, glued, float, anywhere in a residential application, and of course backed by the 35-year Fuzion residential warranty. And last but not least, and very important to us, is Floorscore certification. We continue to be focused on bringing environmentally sound products to the market. The collection will be displayed in Fuzion hardwood towers with 24 by 16-inch sample boards. Yes, there are only 5 colors in the collection, but for creative purposes, we didn't want a bunch of empty metal shelves showing, so there are 10 boards here. Also, please make sure to talk to your Fuzion territory manager about the new branding. Make sure you get them on your displays. We're pretty proud of them, and we really think it will give your displays a little facelift, and who can't use one of those? We have lots of tools available to help support this launch with your sales teams and your customers. This video, of course, the sell sheets, which you're all used to, a small PowerPoint presentation that contains all of the beautiful room scenes, which people love to see for an inspiration factor, of course, the samples, and of course, as always, please visit our website at fuzionflooring.com. Thank you all for your time and for listening to this presentation. I hope you're as excited about this collection as we are. Please feel free to reach out to any member of the Fuzion team if you have questions about this collection or any other in the Fuzion lineup. And please stay healthy and safe, and we look forward to seeing you soon.